Alright, so in this video, we will learn about the different levels in CSS media queries. So we have the media queries level 3, we have media queries level 4, we have media queries level 5. And you might be thinking like, hey, what exactly is the levels in the media queries? It is basically specifying like, hey, if something is under the media queries level 3, that means it is widely supported. If something is under the media query level 4, then that has limited support. And if something is under the media queries level 5, then that has more limited support. Okay. So as you can see, if I just go here, so as you can see, this syntax which it is having inside of the, okay, let me just zoom in a little bit, inside of this documentation by the w3.org. Okay, so media screen and this one, so we have seen this and this is widely supported. So here on this particular page on MDN about the at media, if I just scroll down a little bit, okay, and a bunch of bit basically, so as you can see here we have some table, right? And this table is showing the compatibility between all of the different CSS properties, like the media properties, with the different web browsers. Okay, we have a desktop one and we have a mobile section as well. And then as you can see, like these green ones, mostly they are in the media query level 3. Okay, and then we have some of these as well. Mostly they are under the media query level 4 or 5. Okay, one of them is the range, which we will see. Okay, so here as you can see, range syntax form media queries, which is the level 4. Okay, so what exactly is the range? So as you can see here, we have the min width and the max width. But what we can do something like width, and if it is greater than 600 pixels, then apply the following changes. Okay, so if I do that and go to the browser and do something like 600 pixel, so this is 600 pixels. Okay, and then if I just increase the value by 1 pixel, as you can see, these are the styles. Okay, so this is how it looks. Then we have the greater than and greater than equals to. If I do that, then on the 600 pixel mark as well, it will work, but below that it will doesn't work, like the style changes. Okay, then we have the something like less than 600 pixel. If I do that, then this happens. Okay, on the 600 pixel mark this will happen, so the style changes. And we can do something like equals to, so less than or equals to, then this will happen. So if I just increase the size 1 pixel, then the style changes. So this is the range syntax, which is quite useful, right? So if you have some prior programming knowledge, then this is quite similar to the like the operators in the programming language, any of the programming language, to be honest. Okay, so this is the range form of the media query, right? So here this is level 4, and I will show one of the level 5 examples as well. So now I will show a media query level 5 syntax as well. So if I do something like search for inverted, yes, this one. Okay, so yeah, this is the level 5 CSS property. And also, as you can see here on the browser compatibility, it has only the Safari and Safari iOS and the web view on Safari. So it is not supported at all, right, for all of the other browsers. So this is something which you can use. I have not used this CSS property at all, but this is something which comes under the media queries level 5. So all right, so these are the media query levels in CSS.